Imagine sitting in the heart of Himalayas. The air is sub-zero and you're wearing nothing but a cotton robe. To anyone else, this is a death sentence, but for Tibetan master, this is an invitation. In 1982, Harvard scientists watched in disbelief as these monks did the impossible. They didn't just survive the cold, they conquered it. Using nothing but their breath, they raised the body temperature by 17 degrees. No shivering, no actual fire, just this dormant power just waking up from within. This, my friends, is the Tummo breathing, fire. And I'm not gonna just talk about it today. Today we light this fire together. Welcome to the School of Breath. Before we begin, I want you to really feel the weight of what's about to happen. First would be the metabolism. We'll use our body to burn the stored fat. Second one is mental clarity. We're going to use the breath in such a way to wash away the mental fog, and it's going to be a clean reset for your brain. And the third, at the end, we are going to wake up the Sushumna Nadi, the central channel of your body. And then we're going to raise the energy, the attention of your body to your third eye. This is not just breathing, this is ancient technology for your body. On a biological level, Tummo is a masterpiece engineering for the body. See, as we do Tummo, our blood becomes a little more alkaline, and that triggers the epinephrine in our body. And this is not stress chemical. Here it acts as a focused fire and it activates your metabolism. And this would turn fat into pure heat. And remember, this fire does more than just warming up the skin. It travels through your spine and clears your energy centers. And the overthinking, the anxious narrator in your head goes on silent. All right, now I want you to come to seating cross-legged. Take a look around you. This is your place to do this breath work. So just feel the space around you, feel the body, keeping the spine straight. We go into the first round of Tummo breathing. So you'll go to the School of Breath app, scroll down all the way, and then click on the breath practices. And then we go to Tummo breathing. Inhale and exhale through pursed lips. So we go with the same tempo, same speed. And as we go through level 1 to level 3, we'll see the difficulty level gets a little up. So we'll do level 1 all the way to level 3 today. So let's begin. All right, inhale fully, exhale fully. Inhale, exhale through pursed lips. Twelve more. Inhale, exhale. Six more. Beautiful. Continue. Exhale fully. Hold the breath out. Pull the diaphragm up. Pull the belly in. Inhale. Hold. And let it go. Very slowly come into 30 seconds meditation. Beautiful. Slowly start to open your eyes. Now we're going to go to level 2 Tummo breathing. Inhale, exhale. 15 more. Nine more. Three, two, and one. Exhale fully. Hold the breath out. Inhale, holding the breath in. And let it go. Recovery breath, and sit here and go in guided meditation with me. Feel the warmth you created in your lower belly. See a small golden red flame glowing at your navel center. With each soft inhale, the flame becomes brighter. With each gentle exhale, its warmth spreads through your chest, spine, and whole body. Feel the inner fire rising. Feel stillness holding it. Rest in your power. Beautiful. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends, now we go on to the third round of Tummo breathing. Inhale, 36 times. Eighteen more. Six more. 3. And exhale fully. Hold the breath out. Deep breath in and holding the breath in 39 seconds. Beautiful. Allow the breath to come out in normally and just listen to the guided meditation as you go in deep meditation. Now feel the fire rising from the navel to the heart. See this inner flame becoming pure light. It melts tension, fear, and heaviness. With every breath, your chest becomes warm, open, and radiant. Feel energy moving upward through the spine. Feel your heart glowing from within. Rest in that inner light. Slowly start to open your eyes. Now, sit in this silence. Don't move, don't think, just simply observe the space you have created. Slowly start to open your eyes. So if you want to practice with the School of Breath app, you can go into the Tummo breathing section and click on it and practice with us. So I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of ancient breathing and meditation in their lives. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free Chakra Activation ebook and guided meditations. The link is in the description below. If this practice helped you feel calmer, more connected, the next step is our holistic membership. Inside, you'll get full access to all 9-week chakra balancing course, a guided experience through yoga, pranayama, healing mudras, and meditations to help you release emotional blocks, restore your energy, and bring your chakras into balance. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play Store. If you're ready to feel more grounded, confident, open-hearted, and spiritually aligned, join the membership and begin your chakra balance journey today. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abhi Duggal. Thank you, peace, and love.